Ever wondered how to enhance your videos effortlessly? TensorPix AI is your solution. Let's dive in, and I'll show you how to enhance a video, explain what each effect does, and demonstrate a before and after comparison. First, open TensorPix AI and import the video you want to enhance. In the main interface, select the Enhance option. Here, you'll find various effects. Resolution upscaling. This effect improves the quality of your video by increasing its resolution, making the video clearer and sharper. Noise reduction. This removes unwanted noise and grain from your video, resulting in a cleaner and more professional look. Color correction. This adjusts the colors of your video to make them more vibrant and accurate, enhancing the overall visual appeal. Stabilization. This reduces shakiness in your footage, providing smoother and more stable playback. Select the effects you want to apply and preview the changes. Once satisfied, click Apply to enhance your video. Save your enhanced videos in different resolutions to suit various platforms, ensuring optimal quality across all devices. With TensorPix AI, enhancing videos has never been easier. Give it a try and transform your footage with just a few clicks. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.